Hello and welcome to the AI Automation Masterclass. Okay, so that clip was completely generated with AI using what's known as an AI avatar or an AI clone of yourself. Now, I'm still on the fence about this for two reasons. One, I don't think the quality is that great yet. Two, the lip movement doesn't feel so natural. But third, and actually most importantly, is I feel as we move more towards like AI generated content, AI generated materials for a lot of stuff, the biggest problem we're going to see is distrust from potential customers. And like the last thing you want to be doing, I feel, is showing them a clone of you when they are expecting you to show up. Now, it's very different if you say this is an AI clone of me, but if you are using this like to pretend to be you, um, yeah, I don't think that's the best way to go about it. But that's just my opinion, right? Like some people think using AI to code is not really coding, so that's where more traditional and hardcore software developers hate on people who use LLMs to code. So like it's for you to form your own opinion. This was just mine, and I just wanted to give you a little bit of background context around this topic of using AI avatars and clones. Like some of the biggest brands in the world, like I think even Trivago, are using AI avatars for some of their advertisements. And we will start to see more and more of this over time. The models are only going to get better and better. And maybe at some point it would make sense to use them depending on the use case. Like if they're a low risk, maybe if it's a simple product explainer video or something like that, it might be okay. But again, that's completely up to you. My job is to just show you the tools available. So in this video, we're going to be looking at this tool called HeyGen. It's free to set up. And we're going to now look at an example of how you can set up a clone of yourself. Okay, so first up, I just wanted to come over to the HeyGen website. You can see we are on the heygen.com pricing page. So currently they have three plans at the time of this recording: the free, creator, and team. You can get started with free. You can set up your clone and you can generate your first video. The only limitations are that you get, three videos per month, videos up to 3 minutes. The quality of export is 720p, standard video processing. This takes, like, at least in my case, it took a couple of hours to generate a 5-second clip. And so maybe based on your use case and what you plan to use it for, maybe you want to try out the creator plan. But if you're just using this to demo and see what it looks like, the free plan is perfect to get started. Okay, so next up, I just wanted to show you, like, HeyGen, they advertise that like some of their main use cases are for video ads, product explainer videos, social media, how-to videos, and learning courses. The learning courses pages I tried checking out, but it said that the page was not found. Maybe they've taken it down. But then I also came to the how-to tab and like how to create basically how-to videos. Here, like, I just wanted to play this clip briefly.
We get it. Creating how-to videos takes hours of filming, screen recording, and editing, time you could spend on other content and strategies. With HeyGen, you can create professional tutorials in minutes. Let me show you how. First, let's start with your script. Already have a script ready? Perfect. Just paste it here or upload your audio file. Starting from scratch? Our AI script generator makes it easy. Whether you're helping new users get started, breaking down a complex process, or sharing your expertise, just describe your topic and target audience, and it'll create a clear, well-structured script for you in seconds. Next, choose your presenter. Now, who's going to deliver your message? Our avatar library offers professional avatars, lifestyle avatars, and hundreds of new UGC avatars.
Whatever teaching style you're looking for,
whether formal, conversational, or energetic,
you'll find the perfect presenter for your how-to videos.
Want to make it more personal? You've got 3 ways to create your own avatar. Option 1, you can record a quick 2-minute video, and this captures both your look and voice perfectly. Option 2, you can upload some photos to create a photo avatar. Option 3, just describe what you want, and we'll generate a custom avatar for you. Looking for the right voice to deliver your message? Click on AI Voice to explore hundreds of different options to match your content's tone and style. Want something unique? You can create a new voice in 2 ways. You can upload an audio sample to clone a voice, or use text prompts to design a custom voice with specific characteristics. Then create your how-to videos. Now let's put everything together. If your tutorial requires screen demonstrations, here's how to use our screen recorder. Head to the Chrome Web Store, search for HeyGen Screen Recorder, and click Add to Chrome. Once installed, you can start recording, and your content will automatically appear in your HeyGen assets. Now that you have your screen recording, it's time to build your video. Here, you can start with one of our templates or create your video from scratch. First, choose your canvas format: landscape for desktop viewing or portrait for social platforms. Then, customize backgrounds, add text overlays to highlight important points, and include animations to keep viewers engaged. Speaking of animations, we offer various types to enhance your video, but here's what makes HeyGen truly different. Unlike traditional video editing, there's no timeline to manage. You can simply add animations directly to your script, specifying exactly which words they should appear on and when they should end. This means you can focus on your content while the animations automatically sync with your voiceover, making the whole process incredibly intuitive. Once you're happy with your video, it's time to share it. Start by generating captions to make your content more inclusive and accessible. You can then download your video with or without captions or share it instantly via a direct link for seamless distribution. Looking to connect with a global audience? With just a few clicks, our translation feature allows you to convert your video into multiple languages, ensuring your message reaches viewers everywhere. 今日の動画ではトレロの使い方をお教えします。トレロは小規模、中 And that's it. With HeyGen, you can create clear, engaging how-to videos in minutes instead of hours. Ready to transform your instructional content? Let's get started.
If you look at some of those clips, some of them do feel natural, but some of them don't. Once you start looking closer at their lip movements, it just becomes one of those things you can't unsee, because then you really start to notice if this was AI created or not. And yeah, in my case, once I see these AI avatars, it just puts me off a little bit. Unless it's advertised as an AI avatar video, then okay. Even in the AI clone I created of myself, I'm not sure if you could tell at the start, and you found it very natural. But like I mentioned, once you see these things and closely look at lip movements, you can't really unsee it, and then it just starts to feel a little unnatural. But anyway, coming back to what the purpose of this video is, I just want to show you how you can create a clone of yourself, and I really truly believe these are going to get better with time. And so yeah, without further ado, let's jump right in. So now if I log in to their platform, this is the kind of interface we're going to see. We have a bunch of options on the left menu to choose from. To create your own AI clone or avatar, we're going to come to the avatars page. So once you come up here, you can see that I've got one created, but if you want to create one from scratch, just click the plus button. You can start from a photo or a video, but with a video, you're more likely to get a better output.
Want to create an instant or lifestyle avatar with HeyGen? Here's how to film it right. Choose a background that is quiet and well lit. Depending on what equipment you have available, you can shoot your avatar with a professional camera, a webcam, or your phone. For a camera, we recommend an aspect ratio of either 16:9 horizontal or 9:16 vertical. For the best results, record in 4K 30 FPS, but high definition 1920x1080 is also acceptable. For smartphone recordings, you can set your resolution to 4K or 1080p. Key note: HDR must be turned off in camera settings. If not, it will result in noticeable color saturation issues in the final product. For webcam recordings done on a laptop, you can film it 16:9 horizontal, 1080p, or 720p. Frame your subject to fill the screen, framing from chest up and with some headroom. Ensure the camera is eye level. If you find your camera is a little low, some good old-fashioned books make excellent camera stands. Good lighting is key. Use soft, even light and avoid harsh shadows. You want to face any windows or natural light if you can. These are examples of bad lighting. And this is how you want to face light. This is an example of a professional lighting setup that can be utilized for a lifestyle avatar. We recommend a minimum of 2 minutes for the best results. Feel free to just talk about your day with natural to 1 to 2 second pauses between every other sentence for natural transitions. Here's an example. Hi! This weekend it was beautiful outside. It was about 80 degrees, so I went to the beach and I picnicked. I went to the farmer's market, I grabbed some strawberries and blueberries, and I had a great time. I keep my presence calm, confident, and natural. Every word is clear and intentional, making sure my expressions carry the emotion. I stay centered knowing this is coming together perfectly. This is such a cool experience. I can't wait to see how my avatar turns out. Everything is on point, and I know this will look amazing. Let's make the most of it and enjoy the journey ahead. Smooth, steady, and focused. Don't stress if it's not perfect the first time. Just try again. Now it's your turn. Follow these steps, hit record, and bring your avatar to life.
So in that clip, I'm not sure if you can tell that the lady in blue is an AI avatar, right? Like, I think this is a pretty good one, or one of the better ones. I still don't think it's perfect, and it only takes like a split second for like customers or potential viewers to realize, is this AI generated or not? And if you haven't like put that disclaimer out that this is an AI avatar, I'm not sure how, say, your target audience may receive it. But anyway, like that's the point. I've been stressing a lot throughout this video. Use it at your own discretion. Yeah, it's pretty simple actually, and HeyGen do a great job of explaining it. So there's this introduction section which just tells you what lighting, what background, what camera, mic to possibly use. Then in the next step, it just gives you some instructions. So yeah, it just says get the right equipment, set the right environment, speak naturally, clearly, expressive, natural motion. And then you can either upload footage, record via webcam or via phone. Like I just chose the webcam option. Or you can paste your Google Drive URL in here, and then it's just about verifying and reviewing. So like I've gone through this entire process, and let me now show you the clone that it came up with for me. Okay, so once your clone is done, it's going to show up here. You can preview your avatar. So if I click this, and excuse the quality because I'm not sure if HeyGen messed up or I messed up. I'm not 100% sure. But basically, the quality of audio was really jarring for the first few seconds. And I'm not sure why that is. And yeah, maybe another alternative is if I just went through the process again and tried to create another like AI clone of myself. But I'll show you how to fix that anyway. So if we come up here and click on that play and plus button to create a video using our avatar, and I just paste the script in here, where it allows me to choose my voice, you can connect it to 11 labs that we created our voice clones in. So basically, yeah, you just have to choose your AI avatar, which is going to be yourself. You can choose the voice. You can use your own voice. You can also use like one of the pre-recorded voices from HeyGen's library. So you have access to all of these to choose from if you wanted to try them out. So yeah, basically you can choose any of these. And next up, I'm just going to show you a small clip that I created using my avatar with my 11 Labs voice. So let me just play the clip I generated. Hello and welcome to the AI Automation Masterclass. Like, I don't think it's bad, but I don't think it's perfect either. But like, you've got to appreciate the technology, I guess. And to think that you can create something like this with AI is quite unrealistic. Like I mentioned, I only think they're going to get better with time. But for right now, I don't think they're there yet. So that was pretty much like, how do you create a clone of yourself? We saw like, how do you go to HeyGen? It's free to sign up. You just come in here, you create your digital twin, you just follow the step-by-step instructions, and then you can come into your videos. If I come back in here, when you click on avatars, you can create a new avatar, and inside your project you can always create a new project, and you can choose the orientation, whether you want it portrait or landscape, and it's just going to bring up that same creator scene. So here you can choose one of HeyGen's avatars, or you can choose one of your own avatars. You can also customize the look, at least for these avatars. And yeah, then you can choose the voice, you can choose the expressive, or like how do you want the model to sound. But yeah, that was kind of a high level overview of how you can use HeyGen. You can experiment with their existing avatars, because at least in my opinion, you'd likely get better outputs from those than your clone. But your clone can still produce great outputs. Like I've seen quite a few creators using it quite successfully, but they still, like when I've noticed them using it, they either use it on a split screen kind of view where their face is smaller so that their lips are not as noticeable. Because once you look at the lips, you can really always tell if this is AI generated or not. So that's just a tip for you as well. And yeah, like play around with it, experiment with it. And that's it for this video. I know this tool is a little bit tricky to work with, and it may take a little time to set up, as well as the outputs you get may not be great. But yeah, if you have any questions, please feel free to DM me. Let me know if anything was unclear, if you'd like me to explain it again, or maybe create a new avatar from scratch. But yeah, that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.